The next day you gave it away. This is to take you from tears. I gave it to someone special.
Sino yan? Who's that special someone you're gonna give to, Winston?
Of course, our encore.
Yeah! Ang galing talaga sumagot. But that is definitely a Christmas classic right there. For Jerome naman. Jerome, as we all know, the holidays is all about family and friends. Who, hindi what, pero who do you look forward to spending the most time with during Christmas?
For me, my little sister. Because like since last week, hindi ko na nakakasama ulit sa Christmas. And I think this Christmas is my first time spending it with her.
Close pa kayo?
Yes.
How young is she?
3 years old.
She's only 3 years old!
She's so cute!
So may Christmas, may pa si Kuya para sa kanya?
Meron na. Pero bibili pa ulit ako ba?
Okay. Siyempre sa SM mo nabili. Nag-gift
Yes,
tayo.
yes.
That is so sweet. Okay, for Vinci naman, if you could play Santa Claus for a day, diba? Kunwari ikaw si Santa Claus for a day, what would you do to make someone's Christmas extra special?
Well, I think kasi walang chimney dito sa Pilipinas eh. Siguro papasok na lang ako sa bintana, tapos maglalagay ako ng cookies sa my Christmas tree.
Cookies! Who would want to get some cookies from Vinci? Yes! Okay, but here we go. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna make your Christmas extra special. Guys, every time I watch you sing and dance, lagi kong naiisip na, shucks, you know, I would love to learn how to sing and dance like them. Like, wouldn't it be so cool if we could get one-on-one private lessons from the Boys of Horizon? Who would want that?
Dance lessons down.
Dance lessons. So ito ang mangyayari ngayon. Isa-isa po tayo. Sige, can we split in half? We're gonna ask each member to call on a lucky anchor to join us for a dance showdown. Are you ready?
Sinong dancer dyan?
Woo! Kapisado nyo na ba yung moves nila? Okay. Kailangan ilabas nyo yung confidence nyo. Let's start with, okay, Vinci, asan ka na? Vinci, yan ka dito. Vinci, your lucky student anchor for the day is?
She is Shaira Clarice Terrano!
Shaira! Asan na Shaira?
Hello, are you here?
Starstruck. Shaira, don't be shy.
You're going to be dancing with us.
Come and join us. Okay.
Why don't you come and join us?
Next one, Marcos.
Okay.
Marcos. I have strong confidence in you here kasi grabe yung training mo sa bata pa lang. I'm sure matuturuan mo yung lucky anchor na to well so that they can win this showdown. Your lucky anchor is
Rain
Arguelles! Rain Arguelles! Asan na si Rain? Rain or shine? Wala? Ayan, Rain! Come up and join us. Marcus will be your mentor, your senpai for today. Come up and join us, Rain. Okay. Winston, do you like teaching?
Yes.
Hindi ko ba ma-enjoy mo to? Okay,
Hindi ko
Winston.
ma-enjoy kasi with anchors naman.
Ang estudyante mo ay si
Congratulations, Drin, Sir Gus,
Drail.
Serges Dilausi.
Drail? May Drail pa dito? Drail? Asan ang Drail? Drail, are you here?
Nagtatago daw po.
Ha?
Nagtatago.
Drail!
Let's go. Come on.
Don't be shy, Drail! Okay, medyo shy type si Drail. Galingan mo ha. Showdown to. Okay, next naman si Kyler. Who wants to be Kyler's student? You're gonna have to teach them well. Kanina natalo kayo, sabi nila competitive ka. Kala ko kayo mananalo. Pero ngayon naman, makakabawi ka?
Makakabawi.
Feeling ko? Okay, dito na babawi si Kyler. Here we go. Your lucky student is?
Okay. Hindi ko alam kung paano banggitin yung pangalan pero babasahin ko na lang. Shanzel Rin Villanueva.
Chantel Villanueva!
Rin Villanueva!
Chantel! Hey!
Obvio!
Is that you?
Oo na!
Is that you, Chantel?
Gusto ba siya dito?
Oh, that's so adorable! I think she's our youngest contender so far.
Oh my God, she's so cute.
Jerome.
Yes.
Jerome. Handa ka na ba?
Yes.
Jerome. Ang iyong estudyante ay si
Janine Sagabi.
Janine Nagabi!
Where are you?
Janine. Going once. Going twice. Ayan. Janine ba yan?
Janine Sagabi.
Pagpakita ka naman. Ayan. Dalawa na lang. Tama ba? Yes? Guys, dapat tinuturuan nyo na. Ito na yung opportunity nyo, kaya ako pinapagalan yung pagsalita ko dito para may time kayo. Handa ka na ba?
Yes.
Okay. Your lucky student is
Daniel Aaron Bunzalan.
Daniel Bunzalan! Where is Daniel? Daniel,
Daniel
5. Is that you? 4? Wala? 3? 2? Okay, wait, I have a question. Parang wala si Daniel. Oh, ay, okay. Siya na daw pipili. Kaya sana pipiliin ko.
Hi, Alfred Hansel.
Alfred Hansel! Alfred, nandito ba si Alfred?
Andito!
Yes, okay. One more to go. One more to go. Sino ang wala pang team member? Isa pa ba? Okay.
Na Daniela.
Nadiela Yuson! Nadiela! Wala? Nadiela? Ito na lang. Pwede bang kami na lang mamili? Baka pwede kami mamili? Para sure, kasi feeling ko, if you wanna win, feeling ko, okay lang ba if I help you? If you wanna win, I feel like she can help you out in pink.
Okay.
Yes, come up and join us. Are we in pink? Okay. And then we have one more spot to fill. One more spot to fill.
Sino gusto?
Sino gusto? Ikaw, ano mas prefer mo? Ikaw dito or dito? Ayaw lang pumili.
Para sa akin, papel.
Oh, papel na yan, para fair. Okay. Eto. Ang iyong partner ay si
Congratulations, Charlie Beneflor.
Charlie Bonaparte! 5,
Sino?
4, 3, 2, 1. Wala? Na si Charlie? Okay, isa pang papel. Isa pang papel.
Pa. Ito. Malakay.
Wait. Sino yan? Si Kyla? Kyla para kay? Kay Kim na? Okay, all good. Yes! Come on, join us. Give her a big round of applause, everybody. Alright, alam din ang nangyayari because it is a showdown. Our Boys of Horizon will be the mentors for the anchors. Ngayon, kayo ang magiging judges natin. Kayo po ang magiging hurado natin. Okay lang po ba? Are you guys gonna be good judges? Okay, we're gonna need your help for this. It is a dance showdown to the tune of our special edition of the SM Christmas Jingle. Ngayon, uunahin natin dun sa teams na pinuuna natin first because they've already had the time to rehearse. So, let's call on our first team, Team Vinci. Asan na si Vinci?
Yeah!
Vinci!
That's us.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Confident ka ba?
Yes, we're so confident. She's a fast learner.
Here we go. DJ, music, 3, 2, 1.
Music to say, yo!
Season 1 and all, celebrate Christmas at a sunrise. La 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 la. Woo, woo.
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Thank you.
May chance ba? May chance? let's call on Team Marcus and lucky anchor number 2.
I am confident in Ate Ray.
Marcos, SM ano ka talaga? Prodigy ka talaga. Ganda mo ha? Okay, Team Marcus, DJ in 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Season 1 and all, celebrate Christmas at a summer.
Alam mo, feeling ko, winner na talaga silang lahat dito, no? Kahit walang prize, ito na yung prizes nyo. Ang galing naman. Okay, let's keep this moving. Team number 3, Winston and lucky anchor 3. Kanina pa kayo nag-rehearse. You got this. DJ, let's go! Let's go!
Season 1 and all, celebrate Christmas at a summer.
All right, one of our younger members, we have Tyler now, and lucky anchor number 4. You can do this, Kaya. Let's go, DJ, music.
Tyler, una ka!
Hey, hey,
Ay! Gumawa ng Mario! Wala! Bawal yan! Bawal yan! Bawal!
Celebrate Christmas at a summer.
In fairness, originality. Originality.
Nasapak yung anchors!
Oo nga eh.
Inatake tayo ng originality.
Pautak si Tyler. Okay, okay. Next team, Team Jerome and lucky anchor number 5.
Let's go!
Season 1 and all, celebrate Christmas at a summer.
Sinaan na sa Pixar Hearts. I love it. Okay, we have 2 more to go. Team Kim and lucky anchor 6. It's your time to shine.
Let's go!
Alright, Team Kim.
Kim, let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go! You can do it!
Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Together.
Ano lang, tonight?
We can do it, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, hey, let's go. Hey, hey, hey,
Season 1 and all,
let's go.
celebrate Christmas at a summer.
Kuyang-kuya talaga. Good job, good job. Okay, one more team to go. Team 7, Racer.
Kabahan na kayo.
Roxy. Eto na.
Full out.
Palaban. Palaban. 3, 2, 1, DJ, go!
Season 1 and all, celebrate Christmas at a summer.
Pinamayor mo talaga, no? Pinamayor mo. Kayo ha, ang galing mo ha. Bilisyon. Okay, okay, okay. As mentioned earlier, it is all up to you. Sino ang sa tingin nyo ang winner natin today? Okay. Medyo mahirap. Medyo mahirap. Let's go through them one by one as loud as you can, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Team Vinci! All right. What did you think of Team Marcus?
Everybody shout! Shout! Fire! Shout!
What about Team Team Kyler!
Originality!
Pinako ang buong saya. Team Jerome! Yung sigaw mo yung pinakamalakas na Romy, ah. Okay, Team Ham! And of course, Team Racer! Okay, I think we have a winner! Give it up for our Dance Showdown Champion of the Night, Team Kyler!
Season 1 and all, celebrate Christmas at a sunrise.
Kyler, may meeting daw kayo ng SM mamaya.
Pinaltan yung Oreo!
Palakpakan naman, girl! Let's go! Congratulations! Thank you very much. You guys can take a quick break. The prizes are waiting for you. Good job. Good job, you guys. All right, boys, we'll have you take a quick break as well. Pahinga muna kayo. You guys did an amazing job as always. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, alam mo, Kyler, napansin ko lang sa'yo. Teka. Sige, break muna natin yung iba.
Sige.
Kasi medyo papita si Kyler kanina, no? Sabi ko, wow! Kyler!
俺たちにしかないスワッグ肩の力抜いてラックラック遊び働いて曲書く燃え夢でしたくねば深くそんでパスポートに増やすスタンプロー
Oh, kala ko mag-flip ka pa. Alright, you can take a well-deserved break muna. Salamat, Kyler. Nag-enjoy mo ba kayo?